Hi, I'm Melanie Gerchberg with the Gerchberg Real Estate Team at OCF Realty, and we're in this giant kitchen at the Kimball Street Townhomes, and we're gonna make challah today. So into the bowl went bread flour, salt, sugar, canola oil, honey, egg yolks, and then yeast.
Wow.
Do you see it mixing?
Yeah.
So we take it all out, and then we're gonna cut it. It's pretty sticky. Ready? Help me do this. Push, 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 push. And then we're gonna cut this one. Push down. Love, do you see what I'm doing? Just like Play-Doh, right? 1, 2.
I love big enough.
Now that we have 4, we're gonna go like this. Boop.
Whoa.
Can you help me pull this over? This one like that and put it down. This one goes over. This one goes over and pull it over here. Good.
Why are you done?
Why am I wired up? So they can hear what I'm saying. And then we tuck the whole thing under.
There's like a blanket.
All right, so dip it in. And this is called an egg wash.
Ooh.
Ooh. And then paint the challah. Eric is making the tap sound.